This is my alarm clock. It doesn't work. This is my door. This is my sign that says Molly. This is my light switch. That's my picture. That's my fan. These are my clothes. That's the OC.
Got it.
This is my stereo. This is my picture.
Show them where your fish died.
This is where my fish died.
Name's Stanley.
Yeah. This is my sweatshirt.
Molly, we don't have 10 minutes to do. Show them your dog.
This is my dog. And these are my dirty clothes. This is my pillow.
Are you out of breath?
This is my purse. This is my carpet.
Maybe show them your light switch again.
This is my function.